Good evening, guys. This is Pakistani Pepper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own YouTube channel fairly quickly. First, you're going to begin by going to google.com and signing in using your Gmail account. Normally, Chrome is the ideal browser to do this, but I'm just using Safari for this tutorial. Once you're logged into your Google account, or you've created one, you're going to click on the main page, and in Google Apps, you're going to go to youtube.com. What I can do right now is go here, and I would say Creator Studio. Now obviously it says you must create a channel to upload your videos. So I'm going to go ahead and say create a channel. And it's fine, the name. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say create channel. And basically I don't have any videos right now, but what I do have is a channel. Now I can go ahead and click upload to upload my own videos. I can import videos from Google Photos. I can set up live streaming. When I say set up your live channel, I'll click that and it'll say get started, and you will be able to do that. Anyway, that's a very simple way to view your channel, which right now has no subscribers. You can add channel art, you can add a channel description. You want to do all that, and once you upload a video, you can decide who actually is able to view it. Again, if you have any questions, as always, please let me know. Have a wonderful weekend, and don't forget, sometimes life's best lessons are in the stories we hear least. I'm out.